Hello guys, how are you? This is Master. So I'm going to do this example. It's a question paper for course 1511, Introduction to Programming. So we're going to talk about do this question based on the structure. So the question says, consider the following struct definition. Struct shows type. Inside the structure, in the body of the structure, you have a char style and you also have a double price. So you have a just the style and the price of those two. So when we proceed, the question number is given the structure type definition, what output will be produced by the code below. So you are given a code. So this code here, when you see it here, you have shoe type. Shoe type is the name of a structure, then an object with a shoe1 and shoe2. So now when you have that, you have also shoe1 style equals to a and shoe1 price equals to 9, let's say 9 rand 99 for example. Then you have a see out shoe1 style, then shoe1 style. Here in shoe1 style, because of just the question paper, there is a dot operator there. There is a dot. Shoe1 dot style is going to shoe1 style. Is going to say r is going to give you what is going to say a r equals to what shoe price, shoe dot price. It must have a dot operator there, dot end line. Shoe2 equals to shoe1. So now when you have shoe2 equals to shoe1, which means this question now shoe2 dot price equals to shoe2 dot price over what, over 9, then see out. So we can now take and we can now program this in our code block. I'm just gonna do it with you properly. Before we do that, let's go even to question B. Say write a function read shoe record. So this is the most, this question it have 2 marks, you can see that. So the most important function is this one, write a function read shoe record which accept a reference parameter new shoe of type shoe type and read shoe record fills new shoe with values entered from the keyboard. Okay, so now the first thing that we're going to do, I'm gonna come and code that. So my struct was struct of shoe type. We have a char style double price. So if we come here into main, we're going to have shoe type, we have shoe1 and we also have shoe2. Let me check there. So in shoe1 style, okay. So in shoe1 you must use dot. Shoe1 you will see it's gonna come in style equals to is 99, right? Shoe1 style equals to a. And then we have shoe price is 99, shoe 1. And then let's see again. Okay, now we have a see out shoe 1 style. And then we also have this equation which says shoe 1 equals to shoe 2 equals to shoe 1. And then shoe 2 is it price or style? Let's check. Shoe 2 dot price equals to shoe 2 divided by 9. If I'm not mistaken, it's shoe 2 dot price divided by 9. Then we have see out shoe 2 dot style. So we have ended. Then let's just write return 0. So this is our code here. So I'm going to build it to check if we did some error, and then it's going to tell us hash include. There is an error there. It's supposed to be n include IO stream. So now there is no error. We're going to run our code. If we run our code, you can see that the price of A is 99. Actually, it's showing that because here I can let me just make a space. So, but I will prefer not to have a space this side personally, so that it can be nice. Yes. So you can see style A is 99 and style A again for shoe 2 is 100.11. So which means when you write this programming, the most important thing to check is the dot operator. Remember to create an object. So now the question 2 says, what can we do? We have to create a function. Instead of typing this 2 like this, there will be on a function whereby we can just call that function. How to do that? You're gonna see it in the second video. Thank you guys.